See store for details. Offer ends 12/31/2020. Lay exams available at the independent doctors on optometry and partners with Provision. Doctors in some states employed by Provision. When it's summer in Northeast Florida, you need to be able to count on your cooling system. Cooler times will come, but fall is a long way off. You don't have to sweat it out. Call Mike Merritt's Heating and Air. A small adjustment may be all you need, and Mike Merritt's Heating and Air is here to get your system in tip-top condition. If you do need something new, Mike Merritt offers a 10-year warranty on new systems. That gives you peace of mind you won't